Have your AT&T internet speeds gotten sluggish, or has your Wi-Fi dropped out completely? Before you call tech support, there's one super simple fix that solves most problems: restarting your modem. I'm going to show you the 2 best ways to do this. Let's get started. Method 1. The power cycle, the manual method. First, find the power cable on the back of your modem, unplug it, and also unplug it from the electrical outlet. Wait for at least 2 full minutes. After 2 minutes, plug the power cable back into modem and into the wall socket. Give the modem another 2 to 5 minutes to fully boot up. You'll see the lights flash and eventually settle. Just like before, wait for that main service light to be solid. Method 2. The standard restart using the web interface. First, make sure a device like your laptop or phone is connected to your AT&T Wi-Fi network. Then, open your web browser. In the address bar, type 192.168.1.254 and hit enter. This will take you to your modem's own settings page, called Smart Home Manager. Use access code printed on the router sticker and press Continue button. Now from top menu, go to Diagnostic tab and then go to Restart Device option. Press Restart button and ATT modem will reboot. The restart process can take 2 to 5 minutes. You'll see the lights on the front of your modem cycle through their pattern. That's it. If this quick fix worked for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get more tech guide. Thanks for watching.